Yellow tape, I put that on. Hold up, wait, life straight. Hold up, wait, ice skate. Hold up, wait, crime pay. Hold up, wait, slack, 20 cars, matte, black, surfing. Car, 10 to toes.
This thing clean, man. I tell you what, I don't really like Mustangs too much, but
she slept at the house, I bought her a prison.
What's up, mate? Got cake, mate.
I'm only making like
Got cheese, mate. Got bread, mate. Got cups, mate. Ooh, no mate. Give no sleep, mate. Geek, mate. Up, mate. Out of shape.
It's up, mate. I bust, mate. I bleed, mate.
I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. You probably gonna whip my ass. You weigh a little less than me. How long you been driving sticks?
Oh wow, that thing, it's heavy, man. That roll bar is 100 pounds, and I got chassis bracing and stuff. It's probably actually 200 pounds. I probably weigh about the same as you. 4,000 pounds, something like that.
Yeah, that's about what I'm at, about 4,000. So shit, how long you been working on it? Or how long have you had it?
I'm at it for 2.5 years, probably, something like that.
So what's done to it besides the supercharger?
Supercharger, and it ended up melting the piston, so the motor's already done too. So, and the transmission's built and the rear end's built, so it's all built, ready to,
stock heads or aftermarket heads?
Or stock, yeah.
Stock cam?
Yep.
So just supercharged.
Supercharged Mustang.
Methanol.
It's on E85.
E85.
So that's it.
Okay, so we got supercharger, methanol, and ethanol. No meth in it.
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right, man. Shit. Let's see what this shit do. I got street tires on, so you have to give me like a 60 roll, bro.
All right, that's fine.
When I'm on the clip,
You got
euros
the
on
tire
euros
pressure and
again.
shit good?
Slept on the floor now, I'm lit.
White bitch nose. White boy nose. Kick a dog. Keep the
I so hot, all I can say is I can't talk, I barely could say word. Count the M and that M and love. Okay, my plug, put it pray for a brick. What's population? Pain. I hang with some slimes, pulling kiddos. I crushed up a let her 50 round clip, got my Draco. I should teach classes. I say, yo, my grandma gelatin